All right, man, what we got going on today?
Okay, so we recently got back from Nebraska from filming a couple of TV shows that you guys were all going to get to see. But while we were there, I drove Murder Nova's truck up there. Well, his truck's about like mine, but it's white. But it's got a way better stereo system than mine does. And so it made me think to myself, I need something different in mine. So I called up my buddies at Kicker, because that's what's in Sean's truck, is all Kicker stuff. And I just said, hey, Sean's truck sounds way better than mine. What do we got to do different to, if I'm going to be in this thing all the time, which we did a lot of traveling over the last 6 months, I wanted to be able to, you want to be able to listen to some music every now and then. And like I said, his sounded better. So my buddies at Kicker sent me this stuff. So we're going to put two 10s in this thing. And of course, they're Kicker 600 watt 10s. One of their 1600.1 amps. And they sent me a Lynxwell head unit, which is basically like a tablet-based radio for it. So should be pretty cool. I'm pretty excited to get it in. My buddy Zach right here. Zach, what's your last name? I forget. I always call you Zach. Zach Israel. That's right.
Israel.
My buddy Zach Israel's going to install it all. So we're going to do kind of a cool video for you guys, just kind of showing how it gets all installed and then some before and after stuff. So right now it's just stock, which most stuff sounds really good, but we're going to upgrade it with everything you see here. So if you guys need any stereo stuff, I know that you hear it from all the Street Outlaw guys already, but call Kicker because they really hook us all up. They've got good stuff. But stay tuned for more stuff.
What's up, Lola?
All wires, getting it ready with 0 gauge, big 0 gauge wires. You know, it's not something that you just use a finger to cut.
Right.
But, yeah.
Heavy duty stuff only?
Yeah, just heavy duty stuff only. Good stuff.
Because I was pretty sure that I'm going to need to work with the Bose amp.
Okay.
Otherwise, we still need our wires there. We're going to end up putting both amps back here on the back wall, make a board, and have them and the distribution block all attached here.
Yeah, on the left-hand side.
It's pretty complex too. There's a lot of modules you got to tie into and a lot of CAN information that has to be decoded, but it's supposed to pull all sorts of information and put it on the screen. All the doors that are open, tire pressure, your gauges, all sorts of stuff. So it's supposed to be really cool. All your climate control will be built down there.
We'll have navigation?
With navigation, yeah. Gotta have navigation.
We may cut across here too.
You gonna bridge it over here?
Yeah, I think I'll probably end up making it follow along this, but with nothing else. If nothing, yeah, I may come up right here. Is it long enough? It is. What my question is would I be able to sneak across there? Okay, that's where I'm going. It's gonna be perfect.
Forgot about that.
That's the most satisfying part right there.
Oh yeah, buddy. Put the CES is most powerful speakers out there.
How many ohms are those?
Coils. They're dual 2 ohms. They're dual voice coils.
It has the ability of doing a front camera input, a right camera, and a left camera.
Let me ask you this.
Yep.
I bet it can. So tell me this: can I put a camera inside or behind my trailer?
Yeah. I've got a good setup. I'm actually was supposed to, for another friend, do one.
Okay.
It's a wireless system. It's
Oh, okay.
super nice and simple, but it's super quality. It's
Okay.
a commercial grade.
And it'll just go to that.
Yeah.
That'd be
Oh,
awesome.
yeah.
You put reverse.
Yeah, because this doesn't have the 360. It doesn't have the sides or any of that. Okay. All right.
I
Got
think
it.
it was the year
So
right before they came out.
it gives us 3 cameras to
That'd
do
be
whatever
awesome.
we want.
Okay.
And it should retain the tailgate one.
Okay. I wonder if they're so retain the tailgate one plus 3.
Plus 3.
Okay,
A left,
cool.
a right, and a front.
Okay. Hell yeah. I had an idea of a use for the camera.
Uh-huh.
I should have had you see what we need to do to get one.
Yeah, I mean, it's a third brake
Yeah.
third brake light replacement.
Wanna do that.
Yeah. Okay.
So whenever you get a chance, you can grab one. That'd be cool. And then I want to put when I get my new trailer, I'm trading that white one that was outside in the next couple of months. Well, next month since my new trailer gets here, I would like to put a camera inside the trailer, just so you can watch the load, and then a camera on the back when you're backing up.
Perfect. That'd be
That would be cool. We use this stuff so much. It's like I'm always trying to learn. Going, man, this would be cool if it had this or if it had that. But when you have radios like this, you can have all that stuff. You can do whatever
so
you want
much
to do.
information
Yeah.
and view it all at any time. Just keep it on the screen.
Yeah.
And I'm sure this will be like a split screen thing where you can
Yeah.
view a camera but still have your controls
Yeah.
and stuff like that
Right.
too.
That's cool.
Right. Found that secret connector. They were right. It's all the way to the steering wheel.
To the normal eye, that's a cluster.
It is a cluster. Very complex, keeping everything straight too. But I guess the easy ones aren't very cool.
Oh, no.
Don't get all the cool stuff from them.
Don't get all the cameras.
Yeah. So we got one extra USB to stick out. Everything else internal. RCAs. We're gonna look for rear sub. We'll do the sub real quick, which is gonna be this guy here. Do you think someone at Kicker would have a contact?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm just curious, kicking that song, what we get, because I think I'm ready to test it. That's pretty sick.
That is pretty sick.
Notice we have sound, so we interface the Bose amp properly anyway. There's your doors open. There's the radio. Gosh, it's freaking automatic.
Technology identifies the right people for your job and sets right here to apply.
I think I'm just a little bit worried because right down here, put your hand in there, it's flying the vibration on it on the speaker. It feels like well, because I designed it for it, so.
If we don't love it, then I guess you guys will be making something cooler.
ZipRecruiter, we've hired everyone from accountants to project managers.
Check on that gap you brought that right there. Sure looks cool though, doesn't it?
Yeah, that thing looks sick.
All right, so now that we've got all this stuff installed, this is kind of the finished product we just want to show you guys. So this is Android-based head unit, and so pretty cool, giant screen, as you can see. It's huge, which I love that part. I'm gonna have to get used to Android-based because I'm an Apple guy, so I don't know. We'll see how that works, but I'm gonna be browsing through the owner's manual here. But this is a Lynx wellhead unit. And I love the way it looks. Like aesthetically, it's probably one of the coolest radios I've ever seen. I've messed with it just a little bit so far, and it's just going to take a lot of getting used to. But you know, it brings us up to start with. And if you want to play your music or your radio or whatever the case is, you pick it on your app. This is basically where your apps are at. So like if I want radio, I hit radio, flips over. That is all your presets, and this is just like your station dial, which I don't know if I'm really crazy about that, but you know, it is what it is. This is all your favorite stations. Down here is all like your navigation, like that's your music that's downloaded to the hard drive. Climate control part's pretty cool. So now it's like touchscreen climate control stuff. So if you want to change any of your, any of this stuff, it's all just touchscreen now. And it's still got some buttons on the side for that, but it's pretty cool. So kicker amp mounts in the middle. It's got two tins in each side basically, and they're bottom firing, so they're in the bottom. But this takes the place of where the storage tray used to be. So you lose your storage tray, that kind of sucks. But you got to sacrifice, right? So we're going to sacrifice the storage tray for the subs. Sounds really good. Props to Kicker, really good stuff. And so that kind of wraps up the stereo part of this thing. So let us know if you liked it, what you thought about it. If you didn't like it, no big deal, ain't gonna hurt our feelings, but tell us, so that way we can give you guys what you want. I know it's different than the race car stuff, so if you didn't like it, let us know. If you loved it, let us know. We'll do more stuff of it. We're always working in the shop, not on race car stuff. So if you want to see other stuff, whether it's customer builds, something crazy that we're doing, whatever, let us know. Subscribe, like, all that type of stuff. The next part of this is going to be a little series on the tow truck, on the tow pig is what we call it. So if the next part of this will be the suspension mods that I got. So this, I mentioned before, this truck's got about 80,000 miles on it, or I think, yeah, about 79,111 to be exact. And it's got a bunch of worn out stuff. So we're going to replace some things. And that is, so stay tuned for part 2.